In today's video, we're going to be doing some actual work with the tractor. Okay, moving an old tire out of the back pasture. So we're going to drive over there at night and move that damn thing after my shift's over at work. Good old tractor. Neighbor lets me down. Just goes around the works, huh? Puttity putt, puttity chuff. That's the way it always goes. We are back on board the old tractor. About to go putting out there. Puttity puttity chuff, baby. Gotta love the sound of an old floor banger banging around back there. Hell yeah. Just crank it up, baby. Oh yeah. This old girl, she loyal. Let's go find that big tire. Oh yeah, baby. Bah, 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 bah. We're gonna go strap up and I'll resume the video when we get it moving on this tractor here. Alright, see y'all then. Alright y'all, I got that thing on the line like a giant fish. This is gonna be sketchy. Now it's moving. Just real slowly. Gotta ride that clutch, that's all. Just gotta ride that old clutch. Look at that big ass tire, goddamn. Just gotta pull her back. That's all. Watch that lip, it might come after you. Yep. And the engine's dead now. But at least we got the tire moved back, I think. Is it beyond the line? That's the question. Yep. Line's here, line's here. Tractor moved it over the line. Good job of the tractor. Good job. Oh yeah, baby. And that's why we farmers. Let's verify the pulling power. This thing did no problem. Has overhit the battery, that's all. Had the old girl, she did it. Pulled that tire, no problem. Because the corner is over here somewhere. Let's go verify I pulled it past that line. Oh yeah, easily. Because the line's right here. We walk backwards to the tire. Oh yeah, it's some foliage here. Oh yeah. That tire made it. I'm gonna try to get the jump pack and tractor throttle again with the tractor out of there. Alright, see y'all later on tonight when I get the tractor jump started again, or next week. Alright, keep throwing wrenches, keep throwing knuckles, and I'll see y'all next time. Or maybe I'll see you later tonight. Let's find out. Y'all, the no-go boost came in clutch again. We good to go again. Here's some revs. Let's move that tire out of here. Always saving babies. So one more good pull, we're done with this. That's good enough for me. I'm gonna put the strap away real quick, and then we can get the hell back where we belong. Yeah, guys. Told y'all we'd get it out of there. Good old no-go boost, babies. Told y'all that old little things are good for you. I had to pause the video and move that strap out of there. Alright, y'all, we're back on the tractor. Tires here or there. If that's over the line, I don't know what is. Let's get this tractor back where she belongs, so we can get some other work around the house in the warm, because it's 20-something degrees out here. Oh yeah, look at all this stuff back in the car. Hell yeah, all this in the bush hog. Like I almost wanted to gain neighbor the guy sit by you. Get this old girl back home before she runs out of fuel. We low. We low, babies. We low. Get low when the whistle blow. We getting out of there, guys. Gone, gone, gone. Job well done, boys. To the fly boat. To the fly boat. Wonder Pet's got it again, I guess. There's that damn tire. Holy hell. That's a big son of a gun right there. Woo! This big old girl. Woo! Tired old tractor. Oh, come on, baby. She's doing it, guys. Told you. Good old Mossy Ferguson. She got it. Guns, guns, guns. Funs, funs, funs. Oh yeah, baby. Good old truck right there. Right there. Woo! Here's the farm truck. Parked up all smooth and nice. Big tractor. Let's get you back home, old girl. It's good enough for me. I ain't got enough battery to keep on this thing. Alright, y'all. Like I said before, I'll say it again. Keep throwing wrenches. Keep throwing knuckles. Keep having fun. And keep the thing going. See y'all next time. Bye.